Hello and welcome to My Career Doctor. My name is Prakash Singh Azad, and I have a few students of My Career Doctor from beginning batch. And today's topic is global warming. As you know, this is one of the biggest threats in front of the human being. Across the world, just because of the mistakes of few countries or few people, we all have to face the situation, the condition. It's not a threat which can be removed very easily. Collectively, the effort from and across the world, if we put together, only that we can sort out the problem, the issue. But today we have the students from the beginning batch of My Career Doctor. We will talk about this issue, this threat, and how can we get over of this threat. So, very first, I would like to ask to you, Anurag Giri, please unmute it and go ahead give your opinion. So,
Good evening, sir. Uh, my name is Anurag Giri, and it's very important topic today that we are going to discuss global warming. The global warming is the biggest problem in these days, and it has a huge effect on this planet and humanity and the future. So, first of all, I would like to tell something about the global warming. What is the global warming? The global warming is the process that causes the Earth atmosphere to rise and to make the Earth warmer. The scientists say these uh, these things. So after after so many time, the Earth is becoming the hot higher than today, and the Earth is surrounding by the so many kinds of gases like we like carbon dioxide, methane, and the water vapor. And the next is the the green hot effect on the planet, and this is the very critical problem in this day.
thank you, Anurag ji.
Day
We'll come back to you. Thank you, sir. We'll come back to you. Amarjit ji, ma'am, in your opinion, how do you take this global warming? Do you really think so? It's a threat or it's not a threat? This question is over to Seema Sandhu ji. Ma'am, you please reply. How do you take this global warming? Do you think so? It's threat to the humanity across the world or it's not?
Sir, according me, it is threat and global warming create lots of problem for us. And global warming occur when CO2 and other air pollutant and green gas houses and collect into the atmosphere and observe sunlight and radiation and that have bounced uh, off the earth surface and uh, bounce and the and that situation create temperature of the earth.
Okay, that's nice. You are talking about the cause of global warming. Thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much, ma'am. I'm asking the same question to Amarjit ji once again. Ma'am, please reply. I hope you're getting this. Unmute it. Seema ji, please mute it, ma'am. How do you take this global warming? Is it really threat for the humanity, the human beings across the world, or it's not threat? How do you take it, ma'am?
Good evening, sir, and very good evening, everyone. So, yes, exactly, sir. It's very much, it's a threat for everyone. And over the past 50 years, the average global temperature has increased at the fastest rate in recorded history. And now I'm going to tell you some causes just because due to global warming is happening in the world and as well as India. First cause is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is increasing day by day, and second cause is greenhouse gases. USA is the first largest country in the world who emits greenhouse gases, and India is the third largest greenhouse gases emitter. India emits 6.9% greenhouse gases annually. And we are facing so many problems because of global warming, especially in India. If you will allow me, then can I explain some points in India? In brief?
Please make it short, yeah, in brief.
Yeah, sir. Okay. So first is air. Nowadays, air pollution is everywhere, and pollution is two types: indoor pollution and outdoor pollution. Indoor pollution is related to, like, because of indoor pollution, we face lots of health problems like irritation of eyes, nose, and headache. So many problems. We always think about the outdoor problems, outdoor pollution, but we don't think about indoor pollution. We are facing so many problems, and air pollution or indoor pollution, main reason is air pollution. Because of air pollution, more than 7 million people in India kill annually, and 21 out of 30 most polluted city in the world is from in India. And 1.25 million people in India die annually due to air pollution. And second is water. India is suffering because of global warming. India is suffering from the worst water crisis. Most severe cases in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, UP, Haryana, MP, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Recently, I think you heard about the news. Chennai side day zero. The pipeline through which water is supplied, Chennai have almost dried up. And Indian metro cities will run out of groundwater next 10 years, said Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog means National Institute of Indian Research. This research about the so many things. India taps only 8% of water, and the third one is, well, there is so many reasons. Just because we are facing global warming, and like you heard about the California nowadays don't have the water over there. People are suffering lots of problems because of global warming. Our ocean is like day by day snow is depleted just because of global warming. We are facing nowadays that we don't understand so many things, but in coming future, we will face lots of problems just because of global warming. And one more thing, our population all over the world, it's a main cause of global warming. We just like we are just discussing past and present. We don't bother about our future and coming generation. Thank you, sir. That's it from my side.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Please mute it. Kundan, my question to you is, I hope you must be, maybe or hardly you would be doing graduate, right? What do you think? How can we stop this global warming? Being a student, the youth of this country, how can we stop global warming?
First of all, thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. And how to prevent or how to reduce global warming is there are many changes we can bring in our life, both small and big, to prevent global warming and save our planet. Firstly, we must stop deforestation in all form, and second, we should be more conscious about protect our environment. And sir, and at the end, I would like to request all the, actually, sir, just give me a few minutes, a few seconds. So at the end, I would like to request each and every one of this planet. So do not cut the tree more, and encourage people to plant a tree, and even plant a tree, and yes, for fine balance in the nature. So this deforestation is the main issue, I think, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Kundan. Please mute it. Vaishali, Zadavji, ma'am, Kundan said that deforestation is the main cause, the main reason which causes global warming. Do you agree with the statement of Kundan? If yes, why? If no, why not? How many reasons do you think are responsible for global warming? Could you please elaborate it, ma'am? All right, it seems to be she has no connection. Same
Hello.
question, would like to,
Good evening,
right?
sir, and good evening, friends. Thanks for this opportunity. Yes, I absolutely. Uh, Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Hello. Hello.
Go ahead, ma'am. We are listening
Sorry.
to you.
Hello. Okay, okay, sir. Yeah, admit. Yes, I'm surely admit, Mr. Kundan. The first is the most important is the population. Then second is cutting the trees. Then I'm using cars, using the AC. This is the main cause of the this increase the global warming. Major issues of the global warming all over the world, the surfacing become very hot day by day, and people not awareing main thing, the people not awareing of the global warming. What is the point of the global warming? And increasing level earth's temperature creates of the problem of the higher glaciers of the hotter, and strong storms, lack of foods, death, and uh, very decreases of the storms, death, etc. So I think the control of the population, don't cut trees and use the solar energy. This is the main things to control the global these, and the main thing is the global awareness, which is we don't have the global awareness. So I think government see this point of the how to increase the global awareness in the people all over the world and our India also. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Right now, Vaisali ma'am has raised a very valid point. Like what Kundan said, I'm agreed with that statement. Divya, this question is to you. How much population is responsible for global warming? Do you think so? Population is responsible for global warming? If yes, how? If not, how not?
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. So, firstly, like you said, population is responsible. So, I think it is not the it is not about the population. It is about the how people manage things. And what second question, sir?
Do you think so? Population is responsible for global warming or not? This is my question to you.
Okay. So, sir, global warming is rising because uh, it is like I said, it is not about the population, it is about the how we deal with the environment. It is because like Kundan sir, I think Kundan sir said deforestation. So cutting trees is the major issue, and um, and yeah, we also some adopt method like we should adopt the method of reuse, recycle, and mm, yes, sir. And what?
Okay, thank you very much, Divya. You said, Hansha Maruji, I'm asking this question to you, like Vaishali ji, Kundan, they said about this. If you, I hope you're getting to me. Kundan pointed out that yes, deforestation. Vaishali ji pointed out, of course, deforestation, but we have to control population also. What is your take on this? We have to accept it that yeah, of course, there is global warming, but the question is, how can we control it? We cannot finish it, but yes, we can control over it. How much would you be agreed with this point about population, especially? Because I also think population is the main reason of creating problems in this world, whether that is pollution, whether that is global warming, whether that is jobs, unemployment, or anything, you can relate that with population. Your take, please, ma'am. It
Yes, sir.
seems to be we have.
Thank you, first of all. Good evening. Yes, sir. Sir, I agree with population is most important in global warming. Global warming because population is in Earth only 30% place stay people, but 70% is water. That's why people population wherever population increase, no place to proper stay, and whenever no place to proper stay, people do anything with nature. And global warming is first is near people are opposition to nature. That is why create global warming, and we control the global warming first of all planting more number of trees, reducing waste
Yeah,
generation
more
first
trees
of all, and using
planted.
reducing waste generation and using more reusable energy,
Hmm.
and increasing the fuel efficiency of vehicles first. That's why no pollution create, more pollution create. And
Hmm.
less use of fridge, TV, any create by man appliances. That's all, sir.
Artificial, artificial things.
Yes, sir. Artificial thing. First of all, we grateful to nature and how to approach nature by people.
Hmm.
Thank you,
Nice.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh, to
Thank you,
Aruna
sir.
Parmarji, ma'am, to you. Uh,
Yes, sir.
how do you take this global warming? Should we worried or we should be chill pill? It's okay. Everything will be all right.
Sir, I think global warming is a serious issue, and
Hmm.
uh, over a few decades, Earth heat up a lot, and
Hmm.
this phenomena called the global warming.
Hmm.
Because of these cause greenhouse effect, and the main reason of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide,
Hmm.
and carbon monoxide, and most ofly methane gas is a very significant role in global warming.
Hmm.
All of these it heats heat the surface of earth very increases
Hmm.
all of these gases, and ozone layer make a hole in the ozone layer, which and ozone layer prevent of earth from the harmful ray like UV rays, and uh, we used many 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 things which are produced greenhouse gases like in factories, furnaces produced, and vehicle smoke produced greenhouse CO, and so in the atmosphere more presence of carbon dioxide, and this harmful for our global warming, and it is increase our globe temperature.
Hmm.
So and as a result of global warming, ice caps melting, and it cause many natural disasters such as flood, tsunami, etc., etc. And
Hmm.
now there are the solution that we can stop the global warming, and that is the we reduce the contributed to greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. We choose the we have a choose hybrid car, electric car, carpool, and cycling, and public transportation. And one more thing that I can add in this my session, that recycle can reduce the garbage by plastic bottle, glass, and we also deforestation stop immediately and planted tree more and more
Thank
to
you.
and
Yeah, we'll give you chance once again. Please have patience for some time because we have so many students right now, and they also deserve to give chance. You did good job. My question would be to you, Santosh Kumar. Right. Santosh, you see that we human beings on its worst, hit, we are at the trigger point. It's just because of lockdown. There is improvement in nature and global warming, and you might have seen about the ozone layer. I hope you would. How many of you know about ozone layer? So there is a little improvement there. But if we human beings do not stop our misdeeds, what will be the future of this world? Do not think about Delhi NCR only, about India only. If it happens, it will affect the whole world, not only one country, one state, and some people only. How would be the situation? Santosh?
Yes, sir, you are right, sir. You said about the ozone layer depletion. Sir, ozone layer depletion is a major issue in the world, in the global world, that that is the major causes of global warming. And there are many harmful gases such as methane, nitroxide, and carbon fluorocarbon. There are many harmful gases that affect our environment, and it also affects the ozone layer. And ozone layer saves our environment from ultraviolet rays. And when the harmful gases are affected the ozone layer, it made some holes in ozone layer, and that's why there is come ozone layer depletion. And we have to think about our sustainable development, because we only said about what is sustainable development, but we are not doing enough for our sustainable development. We have to grow more trees, and we have to. Yes, sir.
Sustainable development. Okay, not an issue. Santosh replied very nice. It seems to be all of you are well prepared because I'm asking you questions. ये तो बच्चों वाली बात होती है ना कि okay, tell me about global warming and all. But you guys are giving answer. That's really very nice and great. If you guys are left, then we will ask questions to you once again. But let me give them chance. Like Anirudh Misra. Hi, Anirudh. Okay, he seems to be lost the connection. Ritesh Raj. Hi, Ritesh.
Hello, sir. Good
Yeah,
evening,
hi.
sir.
Yeah, please increase the volume.
Hello, sir. Now it's okay.
It's okay. Ritesh, it seems to be that global warming is really the biggest threat for all of us. We cannot save from it. One cannot say that it's not my fault, so I'll not have to pay the cost. You use any technology, it means the artificial things that creates global warming, whether that is motorcycle, whether that is vehicle, whether that is refrigerator. Refrigerator creates more, issue than anything else. Can we human beings survive without these things? Because we all would like to live luxurious life. Do you think so? Without these, can we survive? Because if we are habitual of all these things, of course these help to boost the economy, but at the cost of compromising global warming, at the cost of compromising the nature. What is your take on it?
So basically, sir, I want to talk about there is the main two reason of the cause of global warming, sir. First is the man-made of global warming, and the second is the natural cause of global warming. So you can say that there is a need of refrigerator and air conditioner. So I think that no need of this thing that sir, when we use excessive use of air conditioner and refrigerator, and that's human have been adding like CFS into the environment, and which affect the atmosphere ferric ozone layer. Then basically ozone layer protect the earth's surface from the harmful ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun, and uh, CFS has led to ozone layer and making way for the ultraviolet rays, and these are the basically increase the temperature of the earth. And one of the main reason of the deforestation and use of many vehicles. When you use the use of vehicles even for every short distance, like result into various gaseous emissions, and vehicles burn fossils and fuels which emits a large amount of carbon dioxide and other toxins, so resulting in a temperature increases. And in we can see that in agriculture, in agriculture, various farming activities produce like carbon dioxide and methane gas. So these add to the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and increase the temperature of the earth. And the other way you can say that like overpopulation means that overpopulation, we need more people breathing, and this leads to as increase in level of carbon dioxide, and the primary gas global warming in the atmosphere. So that is the reason of the global warming, and the main reason in the natural global warming is the volcanoes. Volcanic is the one of the largest natural contribution of the global warming, and water vapor is also, sir. So that is the reason.
Thank you. Two more guys are left. Let me give them chance, then we will repeat. One is Varsa, Kundan, and Anirudh, and Meenakshi Suman. Meenakshi Suman, are you there, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can't see your face. Please switch on the camera.
Sir.
Please switch on.
Yes, sir. I have shared already my camera.
Okay, nice. Your take on global warming. What do you think about global warming?
Global warming means rising average temperature of the Earth's surface system, called global warming, and collectively global warming and its effect called climate changes. Climate changes means it creates a severe problems, sometimes heavy rainfall that causes flood, and sometimes disaster like the reason of the global warming is the pollution, uh, due to rises in the concentration of carbon dioxide that's create the ocean surface rise heat faster than ocean surface, leading to heat waves, wildfires, and expansion of deserts. Increasing atmospheric energy and rates of evaporation are causing more intense storms and weather extremes. That means sometimes damaging infrastructure also, and agricultures are also damaged due to. So we should reduce use the artificial things like home appliances, home electronic appliances, and to reduce the transportation. We should prefer to carpooling and some electronic avoid some electronic things to reduce the global warming.
Thank you. Ma'am, we'll come back to you regarding this. Varsha, my question would be to you. We know it very well that transportation is the biggest issue that contributes a lot to global warming. We all have bikes, we all have cars, vehicles, especially in metropolitan cities or like Delhi NCR. Like if you go to Noida and Delhi, everybody has one car, maybe two car, three car. We have these luxurious things to enjoy the life, but knowingly or unknowingly, we contribute in global warming. One side, if the selling of cars and vehicles gets down, then it impacts and hits the economy directly. But on the other hand, if we use these all things, these luxurious things are the cause and the threat for global warming. How do you take it? Can human beings survive without cars or luxurious things? And if they can survive, how? What are the alternatives? The question would be to Varsha and Kundan Kumar Singh. Both of you guys would reply this question if Kundan comes right now. First to you, Varsha. Please go ahead.
Sir, good evening, sir, and all of you. Sir, first of all, sir, transportations like luxury is very important. But sir, important thing is what is the your choice? What is the type of you use of the thing? Because many of the type you heard of the in ecosystem, because global warming is the global issue. So you use the transportation, so use of the fuel for fuel, and directly you effect on a ecosystem.
That's nice. Thank you very much, Varsha. Kundan, what is your take on this question? I hope you know the question. Unmute it, Kundan. Unmute.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, sorry, sir. Yeah, global warming is a global warming issue, sir. It's not about a single country or an individual. It's about our Earth. Yeah, it's about our ecosystem, and the most important things, it's about the survival of the human beings. That's why. So let's unite together to stand and to prevent from this man-made curse. This is a man-made curse. It's not a natural curse. Yeah, so we should use public transport. Yeah, we should use LED bulb. We should use electric vehicles. And next is reduce paper waste usage, reuse and recycle. If we follow the line, then global warming must be reduced, sir. That's all about my opinion, sir.
Thank you, Kundan. First to Amarjeet ji, then to Seema Sandhu. Ma'am, Amarjeet ji, please come in front of the camera. You said that you want to share a very important point. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah.
Please.
So now it's okay?
No, it's not okay. We can't see you, ma'am. There is darkness.
Right now?
No, there is darkness. Yeah, now it's okay. Please go ahead.
Yeah, sir, sorry, that time I missed one main point. The point is plastic bags.
Once again, please. Now, guys, it's the time, like very fast, Amarjeet ji is speaking. If you are agreed, please say something about that. And if you are not agreed, please speak. After her, anybody can speak. But if Seema ji is there, ma'am, I would request you that after Amarjeet ji, you will speak about it. Now, I'll not ask questions. You guys will add your points to stop and to help that nature. All right? Okay, ma'am, please go ahead.
Plastic bags are an easy way to carry our purchased goods when we go to shopping. It is estimated that up to 10 million plastic are used every minute around the world. And plastic is the worst metal made by man. Plastic bags also take a lot of time to decompose, while plastic bottle can take 450 years more than for decomposing. And just because of plastic, we are facing so many problems, but we are not trying to understand what is the disadvantage of plastic which we are using nowadays. I think everyone should stop using the plastic right now. In global warming, plastic is playing very important role, which people are not trying to understand. Thank you, sir.
You're right, ma'am. It's very, it's very important and valuable point which has been added by Amarjeet ji. Over to Seema ji, ma'am, and then Anurag Giri will speak after. Yeah. Unmute it, ma'am. Unmute it, please.
Sorry, sir. Now I would like to talk about merit and demerit. And merit is first eco-friendly, and second organic fertilizer, and third is healthy cooking, and fourth is plant grow faster. And now I'm talk about demerit, and few technical advancement and rise temperature, and third is and contain impurity, lots of impurity. And now I'm talk to about some solution, and government should be take a plan and strictly implement to prevent global warming. And we use recycling, and plant and grow more and more plant, and save the environment, and stop open burning, and like leaf and garbage. So that's why my point.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, just attack na, like Amarjeet ji said about plastic. If you have any idea, talk about it. Just go beyond the concept. Don't wait for my questions now. Go ahead, please. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am agree from her, sir. And in the scientific research, 95% of the major problem is population, sir, because in today's world there is a lot of population increasing day by day, and all the human beings and animal kinds are inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, and we have not grown more and more trees, and in the urban areas there are a lot of garbages, such as when we talk about 20 hills landfill in California is the largest garbage dump yard in the world, and in India Deonar landfill is the largest garbage dump yard in India. So we are not take care about our garbages and all, because garbage is the sources that they produce a lot of methane, and methane is a very harmful gas, and the methane gas is observes 25 times more than heat than the CO2. That's why this is a lot of problem in our world. Thank you.
I say.
Thank you.
And one more thing I want to add on this, sir.
Yes, Anurag, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. And one thing I want to add, the main major thing is where we are getting from the electricity. We are burn the fossil like coal and gas for the creating the electricity. So this is a big cause of the global warming. So the government should have take care of this and reduce the burn of the fossil like coal and gas. That can reduce the our global warming. This is the main reason to increase.
Thank you, Anurag. Guys, if you could share the ideas which can stop this global warming would be more welcoming. Please finish it fast because we have to finish this debate. Yeah, Hansa Maruti, ma'am, go ahead, please.
Sir, first of all, what people population is increased, this is main cause of global warming. But what we can do, we can first, most of the first animal is a God gifted. But people what do for self desirement, fulfill self desirement, we kill animal, people kill animal and eat. But nature gives us so many things to eat. That's it. First create problem, and when this create such types of things, nature is not satisfied. God is not satisfied. This is most important point by according to my point, according to me, sir. And that's and second is, sir, we ban plastic. This is said said Amarjit ma'am. Plastic is most not this is a usable thing, but we can't. Plastic is not a usable thing, but we do not use plastic because this is not decomposed things. This is made by man. This is very minus point. That's all, sir.
Thank you. All right.
Sir, I can share my thought also.
Sir, one thing is when
Yeah.
we satisfied
I also
nature,
want to share
the
my
nature
thoughts, sir.
satisfied.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, Ritesh, make it fast, please, quick.
In my point of this, what will be solution? So basically, sir, improvement to energy efficiency and vehicles economics, increasing in wind and solar power biofuels and forest and sir are all potent ways to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases to tapping heat on the planet. And we can increase the plantations and in decrease in vehicles. That is the major point of my solution.
Thank you.
Sir,
Next, please.
hello, sir. I want to share on thoughts. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Can I share my thoughts, sir? Hello, sir.
Who is there?
Hello, sir. Yeah.
Sir, I
I am
want
Kundan
to
Kumar, sir.
say one.
Who is there? Your
Sir,
voice is
can I
not
add
audible.
something? Sir, can I add something?
Sir,
Sir, I want to say something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Around. Yeah. I want to share on thoughts, sir.
Who is there? Who wants to? Kundan Thakur.
Yeah.
Yeah, make it fast, please.
Yeah. No, sir. I am Kundan Kumar Singh, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm Kundan
We should use
Thakur.
we should use public transport. Yeah. I am Kundan Kumar Singh, sir. Yeah. We should use public transport, sir. Because nowadays everyone has on car, yeah, on vehicles, and if they have no any vehicles vehicles, and then they want to buy vehicles. Yeah, and when you buy vehicles, then we should use electric vehicles. Yeah, that's all about my opinion, sir.
Thank you,
Sir,
Kundan.
I want to share my opinion, sir.
Hold on, Santosh, hold on, please. Let give chance to those who didn't get chance. Meenakshi,
Yeah,
Divya,
hello.
Vatsha, and then Amarjit, we will finish it.
I
Please,
want to
Meenakshi,
add.
go ahead.
hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to say one thing. It's not a job to government ki government should ban on plastic. It's my job. Last year on 2nd October, on the National Festival Gandhi Jayanti, government announced we should avoid plastic, but lots of people use after that. So it's my job, and particularly every people have job to avoid use of plastic.
Thank you
It's
very
my
much, ma'am.
opinion, sir.
Yeah,
Can I
go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Kundan, make it fast. Kundan, Varsha, and Divya,
Yes.
make it fast.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir. In order to prevent global warming, we must adopt eco-friendly lifestyle to make our future safe for future generation. I just want to say this line, sir.
Thank you, Kundan. Divya, go ahead, please.
Sir, firstly, we should sapling and we should use transport system instead of using our own vehicles, and we should as Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi sir also focus on solar panel, as recently in I don't remember, but I think in Odisha they have uh, um, um, solar panel, they have
Hello, sir.
sir laga.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yeah, Varsha.
my opinion, reducing of the global warming. Sir, so for first is the avoiding any stop of the fossil fuels, and second is sir reducing of the transportation pollutions, and sir reduce and avoid of the electric wastage, and fourth is sir avoid of the paper uses, and etc. sir.
Thank you very much. In the last, Amarjeet ji, and then we will finish it. I'll tell you and finish it. Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
So
sir.
actually, I want to add, it's a very important point for everyone, even we can
Hello,
follow in
sir.
our life. It's a very general point. If people everywhere switch off bulb, light, TV, fridge, mobile charger, the world would save 120 billion USA dollar annually. So I think we can do this for saving the global warming. Everyone, it's a very few things. Then we all can do this.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And in the last, it's my take what you guys have said. First, thank you very much for joining this debate. I can understand it has been only 20 to 25 days, but you guys have done a great job. It's really very nice. I asked different questions, but you guys gave the answer. That was really very nice, proper. I know somewhere you made little mistakes, but it's okay. Thank you very much. See, what we have to do is we human beings have unwanted desires. So first we have to control over our desires. We all want to live luxurious life, but we know it very well that luxurious life is not the solution. That may be good for us, but that is not good for our nature, and we have to cooperate the nature. We have seen the example in Uttarakhand that we misbehaved with nature. So what nature did, it replied back to us, and I hope we all know about it. What happened in Uttarakhand, I mean Kedarnath, and so many places, there was the very critical situation, and it has been happening here in India also. One of the biggest reason is the flood. So what we guys have to do is that we first have to control over our unwanted desires. We all want car, we all want AC, we all want TV, we all want fridge. Government takes care of economy and all. This is why it is happening and increasing. Unless we people compromise with our unwanted desires, this cannot be sorted. Although we have to focus to planting, we must reduce using plastic bags. We should go with the Gandhiji ideas. Like you might have heard, Gandhiji had a very great plan regarding this, and that was Swadesi. So we must focus to that. We must have to limit it, our unwanted desires. Then somehow we can reduce this if we all are active. The problem is we are not aware. You go and ask to young folks, hey, what is global warming? They say, it's not my job, it's the job of government, and I need a smartphone and I'll be chill pill and all. You go ask to young folks, I'm not blaming you guys, don't take it personally, including you get it now, guys. They will say, why should I worry about global warming? I should worry about my cell phone, my personal car, my parties, this, that, blah, 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 and all. We common people think that this is none of our business. This is the business of government who should take care about it. This is why it is increasing also. We are equally responsible like government creating global warming. In the last, if 1 and 2 buddies like to speak, can I speak for 1 minute? We will finish it. From my side, it's over, guys. It was really very nice talk. Anybody? Nobody.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Who said hello, sir? Let that guy speak, please. Yes, please go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Greenhouse gases are present in our environment, but according to data of 2018, the quantity of CO2 is increasing 2 times in 1.5 centuries, and in every year 2 crore forests are cutting every year. That's also a big reason
of course
that is responsible for global warming.
Correct, correct, correct.
Yes,
one more
sir.
guy.
And,
We can finish it. Now please
yeah,
go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Actually, sir. Actually, I am from Bihar, sir. And actually, I am from Bihar, sir. And my district, I am from Gaya, sir. My district before today release a list of polluted state. Yeah, my district got first rank, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, please finish it fast. One more guy.
Yes, sir. That's
Currently,
Hello, sir.
currently our bird population is more than
Hello, sir. I share my thought. Hello, sir. I share my thought.
I can't see you in front of camera, so you cannot speak, Babu. You first have to come in front of the camera for that. Yes, Amarjeet ji, make it fast, please, and finish it.
Okay. Currently, our bird population is more than 7 billion. It is estimated that this population will increase to 9.6 billion by 2050. To run this population, we need that and 3 planets. So we should take care our population also. Thank you, sir. This is the main point.
Most welcome. Now I would like to finish it, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Those who couldn't join it, come in front of camera. Sorry for that. We will get once again chance, and you will get chance to come in front of the camera. Right now, we would like to finish it, and thank you very much for joining, guys. God bless you. Stay happy and be the best. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Happy